Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours editing videos just to remove pauses, cut silent moments, add captions, or make your videos look more engaging, then today's tool might save you a lot of time. Today, I'm going to review ChatCut.io. We'll see what it actually does, how easy it is to use, what features it offers, who should use it, and whether it's really worth your money. This is not going to be a sponsored review. I'll show you the complete platform from inside, test its features, and also talk about the things I liked and the things that could be improved. By the end of this video, you'll know if ChatCut.io is the right AI video editor for your workflow or if you should look at another option. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the website, opening the website. So here we are on the ChatCut.io homepage. The first thing you notice is that the website looks very clean. It immediately explains that ChatCut is an AI-powered video editing tool designed to help creators edit videos much faster than traditional editing software. Instead of spending hours cutting clips manually, ChatCut uses AI to automate many repetitive editing tasks. Let's see how well it actually does that. Creating an account. Getting started is pretty simple. You can sign up using your Google account or your email address. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard where you can start creating your first project. I like that the onboarding process is very short. There aren't lots of unnecessary steps before you can begin editing. Dashboard overview. Now let's look around the dashboard. Everything is organized nicely. You can easily find your projects, upload new videos, access previous edits, and start new AI editing sessions. The interface feels modern without being confusing. Even if you are completely new to AI video editing, you shouldn't have much trouble finding your way around. This is one of the biggest strengths of ChatCut. Uploading your first video. Let's upload a video. You simply drag and drop your file or select it from your computer. Depending on your video length, the upload only takes a few moments. Once the upload finishes, ChatCut starts analyzing your video automatically. Unlike traditional editors where you do everything manually, here the AI begins working immediately. It detects speech, pauses, silent moments, and different scenes inside your recording. Hashtag AI video analysis. This is where ChatCut becomes interesting. The AI scans your entire video before editing starts. Instead of watching your video from beginning to end and cutting every mistake yourself, ChatCut prepares everything automatically. This saves a huge amount of editing time, especially if you record long tutorials or talking head videos. Automatic silence removal. One feature many creators will appreciate is automatic silence removal. If you've ever recorded tutorials, you already know how many small pauses happen while thinking about the next sentence. Normally, you'd spend a lot of time cutting those manually. ChatCut finds these silent sections automatically and removes them in just a few clicks. The final video feels much faster and more engaging. Of course, you can still adjust the cuts if you don't like some of them, so you're not losing full control over your edit. Smart AI cuts. Another useful feature is Smart AI cuts. The AI detects unnecessary moments like repeated words, long pauses, mistakes, or moments where nothing important is happening. Instead of manually searching for these moments, the software suggests edits automatically. This doesn't mean the AI is perfect every time. Sometimes you may want to keep a pause because it sounds more natural. Thankfully, you can review the suggestions before exporting your video. Auto captions. Captions are almost essential for social media today. ChatCut can generate subtitles automatically. The AI converts your speech into text and places captions directly inside your video. The accuracy is surprisingly good if your audio is clear. You'll still want to quickly proofread everything before exporting, but overall it saves a lot of work. You can also customize the caption style, font, size, color, and positioning depending on your branding. Zoom effects and dynamic editing. One thing that keeps viewers watching is movement. ChatCut automatically adds zoom effects and dynamic cuts during important moments. Instead of a completely static talking head video, your content becomes more visually interesting. This is especially useful for YouTube creators who don't want to spend hours creating manual keyframes. The AI handles most of that work for you. Hashtag B-roll suggestions. Some versions of ChatCut also include AI-powered B-roll recommendations. Based on what you're saying, the AI can suggest relevant visuals to make your videos more engaging. Instead of searching manually for every supporting clip, you can simply review the suggested footage. This won't completely replace your own editing decisions, but it definitely speeds up the workflow. Timeline editing. Even though AI does most of the heavy lifting, you still have access to a traditional editing timeline. This is important because no AI gets everything right. You can move clips, delete sections, trim videos, adjust captions, and make manual improvements whenever needed. I like that ChatCut doesn't lock you into AI only editing, you still stay in control. Hashtag export options. Once your video is finished, exporting is very straightforward. You simply choose your preferred resolution and quality settings. The export process is relatively fast, depending on your computer and the length of your project. The final video quality looks sharp and professional. As performance. During testing, ChatCut felt smooth overall. Navigation is responsive, AI processing is fairly quick, and the interface rarely feels overwhelming. Like most cloud based AI tools, your internet connection will affect upload and processing speed, but overall, the experience is solid. Here, pricing. Now, let's talk about pricing. ChatCut offers different plans depending on how often you edit videos. If you're just testing the platform, check whether a free plan or free trial is available because that lets you explore the features before paying. For creators who publish videos regularly, the paid plans can save enough editing time to justify the cost. Always compare the available plans to see which one fits your workflow. Pros. Here are the biggest advantages I found. Very beginner friendly interface. AI saves a huge amount of editing time. Automatic silence removal works well. Smart video cuts. Accurate automatic captions. Fast cloud based editing. Easy export process. Great for YouTube videos, tutorials, podcasts, and online courses. No cons. No tool is perfect. Here are a few things you should know. AI suggestions may still require manual adjustments. Processing speed depends on your internet connection. Advanced editors may still prefer software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve for complete creative control. Some premium features may only be available on higher plans. Who should use ChatCut? I think ChatCut is best for YouTubers, content creators, online teachers, course creators, podcast editors, marketing teams, social media managers, anyone who wants to edit videos much faster without learning complex editing software. Is ChatCut worth it? So, is ChatCut actually worth using? In my opinion, yes, especially if your biggest goal is saving time. Instead of spending hours removing pauses, adding captions, creating zoom effects, and making repetitive edits, the AI handles most of those tasks automatically. It won't completely replace professional editing software for advanced projects, but for everyday content creation, it can speed up your workflow significantly. Overall, I think ChatCut.io is a very useful AI video editing platform for creators who want faster editing without sacrificing quality. The interface is simple, the AI features work well, and the learning curve is much smaller than traditional editing software. If you're creating YouTube videos, tutorials, educational content, podcasts, or social media videos every week, ChatCut is definitely worth trying. That brings us to the end of this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.